Good drink there?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm all for it.
Only 127 grams. Not bad at all.
No, not bad.
This morning, we're making something sweet. She was talking about it when I was doing weather for the morning show. And she talked about cheesecake and strawberries, and I was like, over there from the Weather Center.
But I know it's Chastity.
You can hear my mouth. No surprise there, right? Cindy, this sounds so good. And you were saying all this lighter stuff is so great for summer, great for a snack, great for a side dish, go on a salad, anything like that.
It is, you know, and these are cheesecake stuffed strawberries, okay? So you can make them really clean and healthy, or you can go a little bit on the heavier sugary side. So we're just using a little bit of powdered sugar, and I'm doing a lower fat cream cheese, and you know, strawberries and vanilla extract, really super easy, and we're just going to mix it together and feed you lunch.
Oh, good. Yes, I will eat quite a few of these. As we have the recipe up online. We just popped up some of the ingredients. But speaking of the warmer weather, you and I just got through doing a couple paddle boarding segments, which you say is a great exercise. If you've missed those, we didn't fall in the water.
We did not.
Number one. But
surprising.
It's a great exercise to do because we're always looking for stuff to incorporate with our kids, do stuff outside when the weather gets warm. Paddle boarding is one of the great activities you can participate in.
And you know, it's so close to Mobile that you can participate in these, and they have a lot of meetups and just group paddles, and it becomes a social event as well. And so, yeah, get out there with the family. You don't have to be an expert. If you've never tried it before, it's really easy.
Yeah, you were talking about that. You paddleboard by yourself.
I paddleboard by myself all the time. All the time. You know, it's fun.
Cool.
It's good. You know, it's good workout. I actually paddled with those guys from Gulf Coast Paddle. After that, I went on a meetup with them.
Very cool.
And learned some few tricks I didn't know before.
Yeah.
So you know, it's okay. Even if I feel like I'm an expert paddleboarder.
Right. And if you don't have a paddleboard, they'll rent you a paddleboard as well. So lots of opportunity there. Check those out online. But in the meantime, with our strawberries, is there anything that you recommend looking for when buying strawberries?
You do not want mold on your strawberries.
Well, that would be important.
You know, I mean, honestly, like even at the best grocery stores, sometimes the ones on the bottom actually are already rotted. So just check them out. Make sure that you wash them well. And, you know, just I like to see a little bit of the green at the top because that means that they're going to last a few more days in the refrigerator.
Yeah, good to know. These are big strawberries.
They are big strawberries. And actually, they're perfect for this because that means we can have more filling.
Right, exactly. I like the way you think, Cindy. So we're going to continue coming up in the next cooking segment, mixing up the filler. And, of course, we'll just put it all together in the third, and then we get to eat, my favorite part. So check that out. Check the recipe out online as well, fox10tv.com under the Studio 10 tab. I wouldn't mind going paddleboarding today.
Let's do it.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah, great weather. I'll go out with y'all.
Yes.
Joe, you can just sit on my board, and I'll paddle you around.
Perfect.
I'll feed you grapes or strawberries.
That's my dream come true, Cindy. Thank you. Back in the kitchen with Cindy Ross from Bodies by Cindy. When she's not feeding me grapes on a paddleboard, she's in our kitchen cooking cheesecake stuffed strawberries, correct?
Yes. That's what I do. I mean, my husband's lucky. That's what I do for him. I paddle him around, feed him grapes all day.
I know.
It's not a bad life.
It's never actually happened to me, but I guess we'll settle for the strawberries, which is a good thing to settle for. Tell the folks what you're working on today.
All right, we're doing cheesecake stuffed strawberries. Great. So a little bit of just powdered sugar, and you could vary that up. We could use the powdered Splenda or the stevia as well if you want to go a little bit cleaner. And we're doing just a third less fat on the cream cheese. Again, you could do fat-free, or you can go all out and just do the fat one, Joe.
You could go all out and do that if you want, but it is Bodies by Cindy, so we're going to try to keep it a little bit healthy today. Tell the folks what stevia is for those who haven't heard that before.
It's the most natural sweetener that you can get out there. It's really good, and it doesn't have all the chemicals. It's processed. Splenda kind of gets a bad rap for all the chemicals, the aspartame as well. So I like it. You know, my doctor is like, please, if you do any of them, that's the one I want you to do.
Stevia. Keep that in mind. All right, so what do we need to do to get started?
Okay, so we're just going to dump this in and make sure that whenever you have your cream cheese out, just let it sit out for about 30 minutes and just get room temperature. And then we're going to mix these together. And we still got some more strawberries to slice up as well. Again, it's preference. These are great. I got these, and they're pretty large strawberries, probably the biggest I've seen in a while.
Which works well for what you're doing.
It works great. So I would definitely recommend the larger the better, for sure.
Tell the folks a little bit about what's going on at Bodies by Cindy. I know now that the weather has heated up, we've got some outdoor classes going on.
Yeah, we do. We actually just moved our spinning bikes outdoors, and we're actually going to be doing a segment on it tomorrow. So you'll be able to see that in the coming weeks soon. And, you know, just during this time of the year, especially right before it gets too hot, get outside and enjoy it. You know, whether it's at the gym, getting outside in the class, or just going paddleboarding, bike riding, whatever, just as long as you're active.
You can work up a sweat and get a tan at the same time if it's outdoors.
I know. You need to pick yours up a little bit.
Well, what are you talking about? I like my milky white skin. All right, we're going to talk more about these cheesecake stuffed strawberries. There you see the ingredients on the screen. They're also online at fox10tv.com. On the Studio 10 tab, we'll be back in just a little while.
We're finishing up my breakfast, lunch, afternoon snack in the kitchen this morning with Cindy. We are eating healthy, but it is a good treat. She's putting the finishing touches.
Graham cracker crumbs.
This is strawberry stuffed, cheesecake stuffed strawberries. I did that backwards there for a second.
It all morning. I'm like, don't get this messed up, but I knew Chastity would.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Are you ready to try one?
I am. I'm so excited about this. Again, a great treat, a great side item. Kids would love this, mainly because they could just pick it up and throw it in their mouth.
It's great too. You know, we got all these Memorial Day holidays coming up, 4th of July. This is something great just to have out there that's a little bit different. And what I did not mention before is when you mix everything together, you're supposed to have, you put it in a Ziploc bag, okay, and then you cut the tip off, and then it's easy to fill. Yeah. Well, I didn't have a Ziploc bag today, so all I could find was a glove, and I felt like I had udders, and it was a cow.
I like it though. You have to work with what you have.
Resourceful this morning.
Resourceful. That's the key in the news business, to be resourceful.
Yeah, I made it work, but thankfully my cousin's here from Charlotte, and I had assistants. Yeah, she wouldn't come on TV with me.
I know. I asked her to. So let's talk about. We'll get back to the strawberries. Let's talk about me going outside tomorrow because that's what you have me doing. We're filming a segment tomorrow about a new class. Yeah,
we have a new class. Well, we just kind of got a little innovative with it. With the good weather, brought them outside. All the spin bikes are outside, and you know our classes it's high definition cycle, so we actually come on and off the bike. So we're not on the entire time like most cycle classes. So you're going to get an overall body workout. We're going to be working upper body, lower body, and then back on the bike. It's a good workout. And you are going to be sweating.
I will be doing this tomorrow, so you'll have to check it out when we post the video. It's going to be really good. I can't wait.
And you can eat a few more strawberries today because you're going to work them off tomorrow.
So this whole plate is for me. So just to recap for everybody, it's real easy to make the filling. It's a cheesecake filling.
Yeah, it is. We just used cream cheese and some just powdered confection sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and we mix it all together.
Very easy to make. By the way, I have to tell you, you made a shrimp dish. I've told you about this. This has been maybe last month you made this shrimp dish with penne pasta, and I have made it about 5 times since you showed me how to make it, and it is wonderful. So you'll have to check that recipe out online, check this recipe out online, and pray that I make it through the class tomorrow.
If Chastity can make it, that means it's pretty easy. So my recipe